Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by giving WhatsApp the permissions it needs. Go to Settings, Notifications, and App Permissions. Allow chat bubbles and display over other apps so WhatsApp can float. Once done, open WhatsApp and enable in-app bubble or pop-up notifications if offered. This allows messages to appear without opening the full app. Make sure battery optimization is off for WhatsApp so the floating UI won't be killed in background, because otherwise, bubbles may never appear when you need. Now you open a chat inside the floating container. Tap a WhatsApp notification bubble to pop the conversation into a small window. If your device lacks bubbles, long press the app icon or use the three-dot menu and choose Open in split screen or pop-up view. Once the chat is floating, drag edges to resize, move it to a comfortable corner, and use the pin or lock option to keep it above other apps. This saves time because you can message while using another app. To complete, close the floating window with the X or swipe, or minimize to a bubble for later. If the window never shows, make sure display over other apps and notification bubbles are still allowed. Then restart your phone to apply changes. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache or update the app, because outdated software or corrupted cache often blocks floating behavior. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable battery optimization for WhatsApp. Then reopen a chat. That usually restores consistent floating functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.